Old Testament quiz. Now let's try the easy questions. What did God create on the first day? The answer is light. Who built the ark to survive the great flood? The answer is Noah. Who was the first man created by God? The answer is Adam. What did Moses use to part the Red Sea? The answer is his staff. Who was swallowed by a great fish? The answer is Jonah. How many days and nights did it rain during the flood? The answer is 40 days. What did God give Moses on Mount Sinai? The answer is the 10 Commandments. Now let's try the medium questions. Who was sold into slavery by his brothers? The answer is Joseph. What city walls fell after the Israelites marched around them? The answer is Jericho. Who defeated the giant Goliath with a sling and stone? The answer is David. What did Jacob see in his dream at Bethel? The answer is angels on a ladder. How many plagues did God send to Egypt? The answer is 10. Who was thrown into a den of lions? The answer is Daniel. What did God use to speak to Moses in the desert? The answer is a burning bush. Now let's try the hard questions. How many years did the Israelites wander in the wilderness? The answer is 40 years. Who was Moses' sister? The answer is Miriam. What was the name of Abraham's nephew who escaped from Sodom? The answer is Lot. Who was the king of Persia who allowed the Jews to return to Jerusalem? The answer is Cyrus. Which prophet was taken to heaven in a whirlwind? The answer is Elijah. How many sons did Jacob have? The answer is 12. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.